You know what that was? That was me turning off the air conditioner in my hot-ass 90-degree summer heat room just to record this voiceover. You know, I spoil you guys. Almost a year ago, I made a video about taking pictures of fireworks, and since then I've kinda changed up the style of the videos I make, so today we're gonna chat about fireworks again, and this time it's personal. I mean, hey, nothing says Happy Birthday America like excessive drinking and setting off explosives that are illegal in many states, including mine. For the rest of the world, I'm sure you have fireworks too. Sorry if you have 4th of July FOMO or whatever. Anyway, you're gonna need a camera with manual controls, go figure. A tripod, some fireworks, and maybe an ND filter if you want to try this weird thing that I'm gonna talk about at the end. While your lens selection doesn't matter all that much, I like having a wider one to get the whole scene as well as a lengthy one to kind of get me in really close to the lights and the firework action. Alright, step 1, you're going to go to wherever the fireworks are happening, and please keep in mind if fireworks are illegal by you, make sure you don't go out there and get arrested to take an Instagram photo or blow your hand off, or both. That would really suck, because then how would they put the handcuff on if you blew your hand off. We're starting off with a pretty small aperture, around f11. We're going to be slowing down our shutter speed, so a smaller aperture is going to ensure a good exposure, as well as help us capture the really nice smaller details in the fireworks. Keep your ISO low too. Honestly, the lowest setting should be fine, because keep in mind, you're going to be shooting bright ass lights against a dark background, so it's mad easy to overexpose that. The shutter speed is up to your taste here, but a good starting point is 1.5 to 2.5 seconds. That ballpark will capture the motion of the firework explosion, and it'll still preserve the pretty colors. If you choose to close down your aperture a bit more, you'll be able to expose for a little bit longer. And you can really see the difference here. These photos were shot with a 2.5 second exposure at f11, while these were shot at a 6-second exposure with f13. Something else to remember is if you're shooting the brighter colored fireworks, not like the blues and the greens, we're talking about the more tan, whitish ones, or if you slow down your shutter speed too much, you'll end up turning all of the nice vibrant colors into just like plain ass white, which sucks. You can adjust your aperture down even further to expose longer, and if you're feeling really crazy and you want to expose even longer than that, you can add on an ND filter. Just remember, the longer your shutter stays open and the more bright lights occur in the sky, even with tiny apertures and ND filters, you're eventually going to blow out your colors and lose your highlights. But cool, that's about it. It's a pretty simple technique and it's a ton of fun. Get out there and go take some Instagram bangers or whatever you're going to do with them, and make sure you crack a beer for me out there. I'll see you in the next video, fam.